4 major investments that will shape your finances forever. Listen to him deliver this key financial advice.
4 things you can invest into as a career person. Number 1,
invest in
money markets / stock market.
Okay.
So what do we mean by money markets? Money markets are different investment vehicles and platforms that are available through the government, through financial institution, and through investment organization. So you have fixed deposits,
okay,
you have treasury bills, you have bonds, you have mutual funds, you have all kinds of investments of such kind. So if you are a salary earner, as you are earning your salary, you are saving the money. But keeping the money in the bank as savings is not an investment, because inflation is eating it up, and the rate of inflation is higher than the rate of interest you will get even if you put it in a savings account. But you still need to save. So when you are now saving, you can now move that savings into call accounts, fixed deposit account, buy shares, go into mutual fund, go into all kinds of stuff. Do you understand that now? The second aspect is stocks, buying shares of different companies. And you can do that locally and you can do it internationally. So please listen and listen well. Any organization, any product, any service that you see that a lot of people are patronizing, that a lot of people are part of, and is gaining ground with time, is a good investment. Some of you are on Facebook. You need to invest in Facebook. So you're on Facebook, you're on Twitter, you're on Instagram. That's business. Those are things to invest. Some of you have iPhone and Samsung. That's what. No, listen, I hope you know that it used to be BlackBerry. It used to be Nokia 3310. But now, how many of you are using Nokia now? That tells you move now. So everybody's doing now Samsung and iPhone. So it shows you where the money is. How many of you are on Zoom? How many of you are using Amazon, eBay? How many of you do Google every day? That's where the money is. Do you understand now? So you begin to look for, so you don't need to buy 100 million. If it's just $10 a month, you can do.
Right.
If it's just $100 a month, you can do. Start. When you do $10 a month, you do $100 a month, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you'll be amazed. Now imagine that you started doing $100 a month 5 years ago. Do you know how much dollar is to Ghana cities now? And you see what has happened? You will have been in a better position than where you are right now. So number 1 is what? Money market, capital market. Number 2 is invest in other people's businesses. Invest in other people's businesses. Now you are a career person. You are a career professional. You are busy doing your work, but you are making money. There are people out there that have good business idea, good business sense, but they need funding. They need somebody to fund them. They need somebody to give them money. That is who you can be. So even though you are a career person, you can be an investor in other people's businesses, and you can be a silent partner. So imagine now that you have 3% of 13 companies in Ghana, and the businessman is running his business. Hello? Let me help you go to the lowest hanging fruit. All those women that you see by the side of the road, selling kinky, selling wache, selling all those things. Have you ever wondered how those women survive with 4 or 5 children? 10, 15 years, they're still there. I hope you know that many of those women are richer than many of you. They have money than many of you. They are entrepreneurs. They are small businesses. They are micro businesses. But many of them, if you sit down with them, you'll be amazed that they can give you 5% on your money every month. Those women, 5% every month. Do you know what 5% is every month? That's 60% return per annum. There are only few companies that can give you that. Many of those women you are looking down on, they can give you that. So if many of you begin to save money and you have 10,000 Ghana cedis, walk up to those and say, Mama, if I give you 1,000 Ghana cedis, what can I get? Oh no, I can give you 50 Ghana cedis every month. You'll be shocked. So, yeah. By the time she gives you 50 Ghana cedis every month from 1,000, in 1 year she has given you 600 and your 1,000 is still intact. But many of you, you look down on these people and you are looking for big business. Oh, I want to buy this. No, those are small businesses you can invest in. So you can be an angel investor. You can be a silent partner in many people's businesses. So you don't need one big money. With 1,000 Ghana cedi, you can start your journey. And then, before you know it, if you are investing in most people like that, you'll be shocked at what's happening. A young man came into Lagos and started selling sausages and stuff that we call gala in Nigeria. That's what the guy was selling. And then, before you know it, he was doing so well that he brought other people in. After a while, he started bringing people from his village. He rented one room, 6 of them will be there, rented another 6 of them. After a while, this young man, the guy is a millionaire now, doing extremely well. After a while, he had about 30 people working for him. So if 30 people are working for him, and you give him 3,000 products, he can sell 3,000 products in 1 week, sometime in 2 days, because he has 30 people, 3,000 divided by 30, and he gives them target and say, go and sell this. So before you know it, this guy started going into meetings with CEOs. Companies were calling him and saying, please, we want to release a new product, so we want you to be the marketer. And they were giving him 30% discount. And that's how this young illiterate boy, right now, he has over 300 people working for him. So most of the time, many of us don't understand that there is money on the street. We are looking at those big things, looking at, no, I'm just showing you little things. Many of you have friends that have good business idea, and all they are asking for is 10,000 Ghana cedis. They say, I don't have money to give to anybody. I can't help anybody. My hard-hand money. Listen to me. Are you ready for this? Most of the rich people today have taken risk on people. Listen, are you ready for this? Facebook did not make money for the first 9 years, but people kept paying. Hello? People kept doing what? Paying. Amazon did not make money for 15 years. People kept paying because they know that the day it starts making money, and now it's making money, and you continue to make money. So you need to be willing to understand this concept of investment, because I know a lot of career people that are high net worth individuals that have money locked up in the bank doing nothing. And they don't want to put the money into people's businesses. So invest in other people's businesses. You become an angel investor.
Number
3.
Invest in intellectual properties.
Intellectual property. One of the uniqueness of intrapreneurs is the fact that because they are working within the organization, they understand the bottlenecks, they understand the problems, they understand the gaps, and they're able to provide solution for those problems and those gaps. So you can become someone that is involved in intellectual properties, where you are coming up with ideas and concepts that solves problems for your organization because you are part of the organization. So start thinking intellectual property. What can I produce? The fact that you are working, most organizations, if you don't know, most organizations, the ideas that they are selling, the product, the services did not come from the CEO. Most of the ideas came from staff that are intrapreneurs that identified a gap, identified the problem, and created a solution.
Identify them.
And then number 4, real estate.
Invest in real estate.
Real estate. Real estate. So you are a career person. You have been saving. You need to invest in real estate.
I see.
That's one of the places to invest. I said it yesterday. I said it this morning. I'm repeating it again. A city today was a village yesterday. A village today will be a city tomorrow. You don't wait to buy land. You buy land and you wait. So once you gather money, begin to buy land. Even if you cannot buy in the city,
just get
buy in your village. So city, you don't have land. Village, you don't have land. What's your problem? No, think about it. Now, are you ready for this? There are only 3 people that are called Lord.
So you be among the lords.
3 people. Jesus is Lord. Landlord. The judge, the court is Lord. You know why they are called Lord? The power of life and death is in their hand.
Nice one.
So if you say that Jesus is your Lord and you are still a tenant, you are involved in what I call idolatry. It's called the idolatry of tenancy, because you are serving 2 lords. Yeah. Your grandfather was a tenant. Your father is a tenant. Now you are a tenant. It's not a generational curse. It's a generational choice. You have chosen not to do something different. So even if it's 1 plot, own something that belongs to you.